Hello friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to change screen timeout on Infinix mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting, then from here you can scroll down to display and brightness. So just move on to display and brightness. After you have been moved on to display and brightness, here you are going to find the screen timeout option. So you just click on screen timer. On here you are able to see the 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute and 30 minute. So from here you just select from here any. Okay, after you have been selected, you just click on any timer. After that click on OK, and this timer will be set as your screen lock. Okay, you just click OK any timing. You just click on here and click on OK, and it will be applied successfully on your mobile phone. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.